In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Samsung Galaxy A03S in case you're having a black screen problem. So I'll show you a few solutions and hopefully one of them will work for you. So let's start with the easiest of them. So first thing, before even trying anything, is to plug your phone during at least 15 minutes. Usually, you should feel a small vibration and see the percentage of the battery appearing on the screen. If you feel the vibration but nothing appears on the screen, it's okay. Next step, after the 15 minutes of charging your phone, disconnect and then press the power button at least twice very hard with your thumb. Sometimes this button gets stuck and the screen goes black since it's stuck. So let's do it. Press very hard. 1, 2. In my case, my phone is working. I'm just showing you how to fix it in case you're having the black screen. Then next step is to press the power button and the volume down during about 30 to 40 seconds. So let's do it. I'm pressing both of them. Do not release until 30-40 seconds has passed. So now it's about 7 seconds, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay, 30 seconds has passed. You can now release these buttons and hopefully your phone will boot up and the screen will show something. If this didn't work, I have another solution for you. Take a microfiber, a clean one, and what we'll do is try to reconnect in case a ribbon inside of your phone got disconnected, especially one that powers the screen. So what you'll do is cover the phone, the screen here, with the microfiber. Take your thumb and you're going to press, I would say, hard on the screen. Do not break it, obviously, but hard enough all around the screen. So I'm doing it slowly and pressing everywhere. So every inches get pressed. Okay, do it. I know it may sound ridiculous, but sometimes things get disconnected, and since we don't want to open the phone, this is the quickest way to know and to get them reconnected. Okay, then switch your phone on the other side, cover it, and do the same thing. And then we'll give it a good old smack. I know it sounds again ridiculous, but this is a way to reconnecting. So hold the microfiber here. We don't want to scratch the phone. And you're going to tap your phone. We'll do it both ways. Tap in the middle, on the top, then tap on the bottom. Switch it with the screen facing the microfiber. And then after doing this, you're going to do the same thing. Press the power button and the volume down during 30 seconds. And hopefully your screen will finally show up and you will be able to use your phone again. I know some people also recommend that you can put your phone in the freezer a few minutes and check if it works after. Honestly, I never tried that option, and I'll be afraid that humidity gets inside of the phone and breaks even more stuff by doing so. So I don't really recommend doing it. But yeah, just so you know, some people tried it. So I hope one of these solutions worked for you. If so, please write a comment down below saying which one. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.